Salamat, Panginoon, sa mga visitors, Panginoon, na pumunta dito, Panginoon. Protektahan mo, Panginoon, sila sa pagpunta nila, Panginoon. Ganun din, Panginoon, sa pag-uwi nila, Panginoon. Protektahan mo sila, Panginoon. Panginoon, salamat po, Panginoon. Maging maayos ka na, Panginoon, yung final demo na gagawin mo, Panginoon. Maraming salamat po, Panginoon. Salamat po, Panginoon, na protektahan mo, Panginoon, yung bawat isa dito, Panginoon. Tanggalin mo, Panginoon, yung negative, Panginoon, na pag-iisip nila, Panginoon, para masagutan nila, Panginoon, lahat ng tanong na may sasagot ng mga Panginoon. Maraming salamat po, Panginoon. Kayo na nag-iingat sa amin sa lahat, Panginoon. Protektahan mo, Panginoon, yung bawat isa, Panginoon. Guide us, Panginoon, yung bawat family na mayroon kami, Panginoon. Salamat, Panginoon, sa pag-iingat sa amin, Panginoon. Ikaw yung mamuna, Panginoon. Ikaw yung mag-iingat ka ng bawat sa Panginoon. Salamat, Panginoon, sa motivation, Panginoon, na binibigay mo sa amin, Panginoon. Dalangin namin, Panginoon, na samahan kami, Panginoon, hanggang dulo, Panginoon. Hindi kami matatapos dito, Panginoon, na hindi kami, Panginoon, nakasama mo, Panginoon. Salamat po, Panginoon. Binabalik ko lahat ng papuri pagsapa, Panginoon. Inaanak ka namin, Panginoon. Pinagpupulihan ka namin, Panginoon. Guide us, Panginoon, ng bawat isa, Panginoon. Maging positive, Panginoon, yung pag-iisip nila, Panginoon. Salamat po, Panginoon. Ito lang po yung aming dalangin, Panginoon, sa pangalan ni Jesus.
Amen. Okay, good morning, class.
Good morning, Ma'am Ali. Good morning, visitors. Welcome and mabuhay.
Okay, thank you for that energetic greetings, everyone. So please sit down. Okay, let me introduce our visitor for today. We have here from the AP department, Mrs. Rhea Descovino. Also, a professor from the Marikina Polytechnic College. We have here my vocal teacher, Mrs. Joanna Marie Peñalosa. Okay, and also together with Dr. Vilma Balbaran. Okay, so before we start our discussion for today, let's have your attendance report. Okay, so group 1, who are the absent for today? Okay, thank you. Group 2, what group 2? Okay, thank you, group 2. How about group 3? Leader.
For my group, the absents are Mrs. Francis Moy.
Okay, thank you very much. How about the group 4? Okay, very good. How about the group 5?
In group 5, we have one absent, which his name is Ovid Poli.
Okay, thank you, leaders, for that attendance report. I hope we see those absents in our next meeting. Okay. So before we start, let me remind you about our classroom guidelines. So always remember the word REL. So which is R stands for respect your teachers and your classmates. E is being you want to be enthusiastic and always participate. A is always pay attention. L for listen carefully. And M is for make sure your area is clean. And you will wear your proper ID and your proper uniform. Okay? And if you have any questions or if you want to answer, just raise your hands. Okay? So the classroom guidelines correct? I mean, you understand the classroom guidelines?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so now let's start our discussion. Okay. So before that, let's have a short recap from our previous topic. Okay, so I have here a set of pictures, and all you have to do is analyze it and classify them based on the classification of a dessert, whether it's a frozen dessert, a custard, a cheese dessert, a pudding, fruits or fruit so we can avoid harm or accident. Okay, who wants to try first? Okay, you only need to give your feedback. Why does these two desserts are tasty, or identify why these desserts are flavored. Okay, who wants to volunteer? Who wants to first volunteer? Go ahead, don't be shy. Okay, Miss Lazaro, come here. Okay, can you try the fruit salad? You don't have any allergies? Okay. Okay, what does the fruit salad taste?
It tastes tasty, but it's kind of sweet, and you can also taste the first
Okay, so let's give Miss Lazaro 5 claps. Okay, thank you, Miss Lazaro. Okay, so who wants to try second? Okay, Miss Narana. Can you try the brownies? Okay, how does it taste?
It tastes good and it's chewy, the chocolate is good.
Okay, let's give also Miss Nalana 5 cups. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, next one. Next one. Okay, I would like also to acknowledge the presence of the TLE chairman, Mrs. Baiti Sacrament. Okay, so who wants to try? Third. Sino? Mr. Relio, can you try?
Yes.
Do you have any allergies? The fruit salad. How does it taste?
The salad tastes very, very good. It's sweet and you can really taste the fruit and the other ingredients that have been put in the salad.
Okay, so what is the texture you notice to the fruit salad?
The gelatin is kind of hard, not that hard, but the right texture and the other ingredients very, very smooth. When you eat it, it melts in your mouth.
Okay, thank you very much. Let's give Mr. Relio 5 claps. Okay, so how about the last person who will try? Miss Maria, can you try the brownies? So, what is the texture you notice for the brownies? Go ahead. Enjoy. Okay. What is the texture you notice? describe it. Okay? Short description and then guess the name of the ingredients. Okay? So is the direction clear? Okay, who wants to try first? Who wants to try first? Mr. Nalo, do you want to try first? Okay. Okay, so can you describe it and give it a
So, I think a sugar, which is, it is so thin, it's so fine, and then it has a lot of granules and
Okay, thank you very much. Let's give Mr. Nalo 5 cups. Okay, next, who wants to try second? Miss Laura Skid, do you want to try? Go ahead.
I believe that this is a jelly. I think it is coffee milk. Or is it jelly?
Okay, let's give Miss Lara 5 cups. Okay, very good. So, it is a jelly. Who wants to try it third? Okay, Mr. Cabos. So, let me put. Can you describe it? Okay, you can taste it, you can smell it.
I believe this is egg yolk, and it's used for baking and making.
Okay, so let's give Mr. Cabos 5 cups. Okay, who wants to try fourth? Miss Igne, can you try? So, can you describe what
Ito po yung color yellow po na
So, what do we call to that? Okay. Okay, yuk. So, let's give Miss Igne 5 cups. Okay, next, Mr. Gohar. Can you try? Can smell it. And then next that.
I believe this is pineapple, and this is used to
Okay, so what do you call to the pineapples? What are those? Fruits. Very good. Let's give Mr. Gohar 5 cups. Okay, fruits. Okay, next. Miss Pangilinan. Can you try? Okay, what is that?
I believe this is all-purpose cream, which is used as a dressing for fruit salad.
Okay, let's give 5 cups to Miss Pangilinan. Okay. Next, Miss Narana, can you try? Okay, Mr. Lalo?
The one type of sugar that I know is powdered sugar.
Okay, powdered sugar. Very good. Miss Lazaro? Brown sugar. Very good. Another. Okay, Mr. Basalim? White sugar. Okay. How about the different kind of nuts that we can use or add to the dessert? Okay, Miss Koriyama? Almond. Very good. Say, Miss Pangilina? Pistachio. Miss Nasaro? Walnuts. Very good. Okay. Hazelnut. Very good. Miss Dana? Cashew nuts. Peanuts. Very good. Okay, so there are many different kind of nuts that we can add and mix to the ingredients in making a dessert. Okay, what kind of dessert that we use gelatin? What are the kinds of dessert that we can use a gelatin? Okay, let's start. Coffee jelly, very good. How about others? Okay, Mr. Nalo? Cathedra, very good. Miss Mariama? Halo, very good. And also, the fruit salad that you already take. Okay, so there are the gulaman or the jelly. Okay, next is, what is the kind of dessert that we can use? Egg yolks. Egg yolks, sige, Miss Norman. Pancake, very good. Leche flan, very good. Miss Anna. Custard. Okay, Mr. Garcia. Cake. Okay, so those are the dessert that we can use. Egg yolk. Okay, so what is the uses of fruits in the dessert? What is the uses of fruits? Mr. Lalo?
It can be garnish, which can make the dessert appetizing and make it look appealing.
Okay, very good. So, as Mr. Naluk said, it add more attractiveness to the dessert because of its color, right? And also, it serves as the basis of the flavor of the dessert. So, what is the flavor of mango float? Mango. What is the flavor of strawberry mousse? Strawberry. Yeah. Very good. Okay, so the butter, what do you think? The butter is a mixture of a flour and a water. What do you think is the kind of dessert that can we use a butter? Sige, Mr. Taro. Dough, very good. Okay, Mr. Nalo? Pudding, very good. Pancakes, very good. Sino pa? Okay, Miss Maria. Crepes, okay, very good. So we can also add eggs to the butter so we can make the cakes, right? Cakes is made of butter also. Okay, so now that we already identified the different types of dessert, let's talk about the quality points of each dessert. Okay, so it is important not just to know the name, but also the quality of the dessert. Okay, can someone please read the text on the slide? Okay, Miss Nanana.
Quality is the requirements that you need to look and observe when selecting ingredients if you are to achieve quality dessert.
Okay, thank you very much. So if you want to make a quality dessert, you need requirements or quality requirements to the dessert that you will go with. Okay, let's first talk the quality points of the sugar. Okay. Okay. So, what type of sugar that is best used in making hot sauces? Okay, Ms. Lazaro? Brown sugar, very good because what? Because of its? Okay, very good. How about the sugar that is best in making icing? Okay, Miss Narana?
It's confectioner's sugar.
Okay, very good. How about the most common used type of a sugar? Okay, Mr. Relo?
Granulated sugar.
Granulated sugar, very good. How about the sugar that best made in meringues and cakes? Mr. Relo? Custard sugar, very good. So next one is the gelatin. Okay. Okay. So what are the types of gelatin that can be used in making a dessert? What types of gelatin? Or how the many desserts? Sige, Mr. Kariyama. Miss Kariyama, sorry. Okay. Okay, so thank you very much. Sure, the gelatin have a different types of it. So it have a commercial leaf, powdered gelatin. We have also a gelatin that have flavor and have a colors. Okay, next one. Okay, is the egg yolk. Okay. Okay, are you familiar to the egg yolks? Okay. So, why should we place the egg yolk in a room temperature? Based on the text, why should we place the egg yolks in a room temperature? Okay, Miss Lazaro? Okay, very good. So, if you were going to use an egg, it is better to take out the eggs in your refrigerator. So we can mix it up better. Very good. Okay, and what are the desserts that can we use egg yolks? Can you give example? Okay, very good. Next is another custard. Next is the egg whites. So the egg yolk is the yellow part of egg, and now that we have the white part of egg whites. So what form can we notice, or can we see if we beaten the egg or the egg whites? One form, okay? You can see that. Okay, very good. And also if you beat the egg whites continuously, it can form a bubble. Very good. And it is best in making a meringue and also in the chiffon cake. Next is fruits. So, what is the quality points of fruits? Can someone read? Okay, wait lang. Sige, Mr. Kabalasan.
It should be fresh, firm, and have no defects like mold or discoloration.
Okay, thank you very much. So, if you choose a fruits, I should be fresh, firm, and no defects. Okay, like holes or discoloration because it might be spoiled. Okay. Next is the cream. Ayan. Okay, what are the type of cream that can be used to the dessert? Can you give one based on the text, Ms. Narana? Cured cream, very good. Okay, Mr. Ralo? Double cream, very good, Mr. Ralo.
Reduced cream.
Reduced cream, very good. Another. Mr. Okay, stabilizer cream. And what kind of information we should see or we should pay attention to the cream? Okay, Mr. Ralo?
We should pay attention to the use by
Okay, used by days because cream is made of dairy products or milk. Okay, very good. And if you not store it properly, it can be spoiled. Okay. Next is this one. So the butter. Oh, it is different from the butter that spells butter because it is butter is example of like oils, and then butter is a mixture of a flour and a um, water. Okay, what is the quality points of a butter? Mr. Aaron, can you please read? Okay, very good. Okay, so if you're going to use butter, it should be less than the room temperature, so we can reduce the elasticity of the butter. Next is the lux. Okay? Okay, so what is the quality points of nuts? Can someone read? Okay, Mr. Palomo. Where's Mr. Palomo? Can you read?
It could be purchased naturally or balanced in the, and most importantly, they should be
Okay, so you can purchase a nuts naturally or black. Very good. Okay, and the last is the chocolate. Okay, can you name a type of chocolate that we can use in dessert? Sige, Mr. Elliot. Type of chocolates that we can use. White chocolate. Go ahead. Mr. Tuanya. Milk chocolate. Very good. Mr. Lacaras. Dark chocolate. Okay, Mr. Lacaras. Okay. Semi-sweet. What else? Okay. Bittersweet. Okay, those are the type of chocolates that can be used in making a dessert. So do you have any questions? Okay, so now, if you don't have a questions, let's have our application. Okay, so I have here a different kinds of ingredients. Okay, so imagine that it is the store or a grocery store that is called Ali's store. Okay, so I need you to go to your group now. Go to your group now. Okay. Okay, so are you in your groups? Okay. So okay. So this is a by group activity. Okay. And all you have to do is imagine that I give you a 200 pesos per group to budget and to buy the ingredients in making your assigned dessert. Okay? And you need to take note of the prices. Okay, so your assigned dessert is inside the envelope, so the task card. So, and the ingredients are written and also the procedure are written. Okay, and I give you 1 minute to go here in front, and then you need to choose or you need to buy the ingredients that is necessary. Okay, I need 3 representatives of each group that will get the ingredients here in our Ali store. So you can assign now your representative. Okay, assign now. Okay, after that, you need to fill in. Okay, the necessary information here on your task. Can I give you 10 minutes translator? Report? Okay. Can you get your task card? Okay, so analyze. Analyze the information that you need to fill to the your assigned dessert. Okay? in your task board. 3 if you followed only the 2, or 3 of the instruction. Next is you will get 2 if you follow only 1 instruction. Okay, so in the participation, okay, you will get a 5 score if your member are all participate. So the group, your members should, all your members should be functioning in today because you need to fill in the information and also at the same time you need to make a dessert. Okay, 45 members participate and the group activity.
morning, everyone. We are the representative of group number 5, and the dessert that we are assigned to do or to create is vanilla jelly. First, the ingredients are the cost and ingredients is right here. Which first is ground gelatin, which costs 20 pesos. Next is 1/2 tablespoon of sugar, which costs 25 pesos. Next is vanilla extract, which costs 10 pesos. Next is 1/4 cup of all-purpose cream, which costs 16 pesos. 1/8 cup of condensed milk, which costs 25 pesos. 25 pesos, so in total 140 pesos. Next, characteristics, quality points of each ingredient. First, colored gelatin. Next, granulated sugar. And for the last one is cream. So in total our change is 60 pesos. And this is our vanilla jelly. That is it for our presentation. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Group 5. How about the Group 3? Present your word. Group 3. Speak.
So, good morning, respected observers, teachers, and Ma'am Ali, and also Ma'am Rivera. So the group task that are being assigned to us is to make strawberry jelly dessert, which cost us 140 pesos, and its ingredients is big gelatin, which cost us 20 pesos. The 1 cup tablespoon of sugar cost us 20 pesos. Strawberry extract that we use cost us 10 pesos, and the 1/4 cup of all-purpose cream cost us 60 pesos, and lastly, the 1/8 cup of condensed milk cost us 15 pesos. So the total amount that the ingredients cost us is 100 pesos, and the change is 80 pesos. The characteristic of thick gelatin uses powdered gelatin and it's colored. The quality points of sugar that we use is granulated sugar. The extract or the strawberry extract is colored red and very pigmented. The all-purpose cream quality points is very liquidy and sweet. The quality points of condensed milk is sweet. And that is all.
Okay, let's give Group 3 5 claps. Okay, next one, Group 4. Can you present your word? identify the parts of that dessert. So, who wants to answer? Okay, Mr. Reno? Can you answer? Anything? What is the part? What are the parts? Or what are the ingredients? Okay, that is, and the arrow. Okay, the ingredients. Okay, so you need to identify what are the ingredients used in making that kind of dessert. Next, what's the time? Mr. Lalo, right? So you can answer in any arrows, okay? Next, who wants to try? Okay, Miss Latonya. Okay, wants to try? Okay, Miss Fernandez. Okay, thank you very much. So, you're able to identify what are the ingredients used in that kind of dessert. So now, let's have your evaluation, your short quiz. So, in your notebook, you need to answer it in 5 minutes. Get one in chance. Okay, and you have to do is to answer the riddle in the task, in the questionnaire. Okay, by choosing or by decoding the answer of each question or the asked ingredients of each question in the column of questions. Okay, now you get the okay, so this part of answer it. Who have extra paper? Okay, 4 minutes left. You need to answer the riddle. What do you think is the most important part of a recipe? 2 minutes? 2 minutes left? Okay, so you need to decode the answer of the riddle above. So the question is, what is the most important part of recipe? So you need to decode it. Okay, we're answering what is asked. 1 minute. Last 1 minute. Four finish? Four finish? Not yet. You need to answer the riddle. Okay. Okay, so time is up. Ball pens down. Ball pens up. Can you up your ball pen now? Up your ball pen. Can I see your ball pen? Ball pens up. Okay, let's check. So number 1 is letter I. Number 2 is letter N. Number 3 is letter G. Number 4 is letter D. Number 5 is letter I. Number 6 is E. 7 is N. And again. I'm sorry. Okay, again. Number 1 is I. Number 2 is N. Number 3 is G. Number 4 is D. Number 5 is I. Number 6 is E. 7 N. Next is I. 8 is I. 9 is N. And 10 is T. So, what are the answer of the riddle? Ingredient. Very good. Okay. So, who among you got 10? Who among you got 10? 10. 9? 8? 7? 6? 5? 4? 3, 2, 1. Okay. So do you have any questions? Okay, so for your assignment, you will need to do your original or own kind of dessert. Okay? So, okay, so take note of that on your notebook. You need to make your own kind of dessert that best describe your personality, your characteristics.